guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I bring you entertainment news, gossip news, celebrity entertainment. If you are someone who likes that type of content, then this is the channel for you. Now guys, there are people who are just risk takers. There are people who are just risk takers, and I am not one of them. I am absolutely not one of them because how kanjani, make it make sense, you know. So Sana, there's a video that is trending on Facebook. These girls, I don't know, maybe they met up at some club with these Nigerian guys, and then they took them to their place, and then while they were at the Nigerians place, they tried to steal from them, and then they were caught. They were so yazini, like indlela abashaywe ngayo guyzini, they were so brutally abused, you know. And what's funny is that these Nigerian people, Nigerian guys, they didn't use their hands like to beat them up. They used a belt, you know, someone beating you up with a belt like you are a small child, you know. I don't know, maybe they were trying maybe they were, I don't know, maybe they were trying not to make it look bad, you know. Maybe the girls will go to the police and stuff like that. But yours, Anna, they were brutally abused, they were brutally beaten, you know. And I understand, Shem, I understand the Nigerian guys now, but they are sad and maybe they trusted these girls, ne? So Kesana Kutwa, allegedly these girls were found trying to steal, so they didn't uh, take these things, but they were caught, you know. They were trying to steal. So amongst the list, Kesana, amongst the things that they tried to steal is laptops, iPhone 15, iPhone 16, you know, all the expensive expensive stuff. iPhone 15, iPhone 16, it's the laptop, it's the expensive watches, expensive clothes. I don't know, Guti, these girls, what were they thinking, guys? Even Smeg appliances, about toaster, about kettle, like, hi, Sana. So maybe they are used to this thing, ne? They just get any guys at the club and then they go with them to their places and then they start stealing. They start stealing. And then Baba Nepatinji, just that one day, guys, I can't even post a full video because it's against the community guidelines of YouTube or something. But because these people were being abused, I can't post this video here, but I'll just post pictures because Sana Kubi, they were crying, begging them to please let them go and stuff, you know. And then I saw people in the comment section, they were saying, "But no, but you caught them trying to steal. They didn't steal from you, you know. Why didn't you just let these girls go and then, I don't know, or maybe go to the police or something? Because now you will be charged again because you were abusing these girls, you know. You took the law into your own hands." So guess Anna, I go to a rumor has it ukuthi now the police are looking for those Nigerian guys, you know. The police are looking for those Nigerian guys. Ukuthi, why are you guys abusing women? Like, if you find someone trying to steal from you, just go to the police station and open a case. You don't have to be beating them up, taking the law into your own hands. Guys, I don't know. Please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Do you guys think it was fair for them to beat them like that? You know, or do you think maybe they should have just gone to the police, like teach them a lesson? I know with beating them they were also trying to teach them a lesson, right? But I don't know, guys, I really don't know. Shame. Oh, like that video really broke my heart. Yes, they were wrong for trying to steal from them, but your Sana, like, imagine the whole internet, manje, you are trending, begging for your life, like, Sana Kuningi, it's a lot. But I hope this is a lesson to all of us, guys. Hey, you know, trying to be umashaya, quick money, fast money, it really doesn't work. It really doesn't work, guys. But guys, I will hear from you in the comment section down below. Do you guys think this was fair or it was not fair? Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next one.